Now friends, let's say this problem, a problem based on time and work. P, Q and R begin to finish a work together. P is twice as efficient as Q and R is 2/3 as efficient as Q. Now P leaves after 2 days while Q leaves after 4 days. How many days will R further take to finish up the work if Q alone can finish the work in 16 days? Now pretty simple problem. Not many problems like this we have already discussed in our previous sessions. So obviously, there is no need of paper and pen to solve this problem. Just listen to me carefully. See, capacity of Q is 16 days. That means Q all alone can finish up the work in 16 days. And P is twice as efficient. That means he'll be taking half of the days taken by Q. That means P will be taking 8 days. Right? So, that's P, Q and R. Q 16, P 8. Now R is 2/3 efficient as Q. That means R will be taking 3 by 2 time, 3 by 2 number of days than Q is taking, because efficiency is 2 by 3. That means number of days will be 3 by 2 of Q, right? So 3 by 2 of Q will be 24 days. Now what is happening? P leaves after 2 days, right? See, P, Q and R, all of them are starting together, right? So from the very first day, we are calculating, but initially we take the calculation for P. So P is leaving after 2 days. That means he must have done 25% of the work, because his capacity is to complete the entire work in 8 days. That means in 2 days he might have done 25% of the work. Similarly, Q leaves after 4 days. That means Q might have done 25% of the work because his capacity is 16 days. Now 50% work is being done by P and Q. Now the remaining 50% work has to be done by R, right? Now R is also starting from the day 1. So now R takes 24 days to finish up the work. That means to do 50% of the work, he'll be taking 12 days, right? So 4 days with P and Q, P or Q, and remaining 8 days all alone. That means after leaving Q, it will take 8 more days for R to finish up the work, right? So that's pretty simple problem. I hope you might have understood the concept behind it, and you might have observed that hardly any paperwork is required. Whatever the data I have written over here is for just reference for you. Otherwise, there is no need. Okay, you can keep the data in even your mind. Okay.